Hey, greetings everyone. My name is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you for being here for this tutorial in Microsoft Outlook. So I teach software called Act CRM, and one of my clients, a gentleman by the name of David, had told me that on occasion he gets appointments that show up on his calendar, and it's like he didn't know about it necessarily. He looks at his calendar and realizes, oh my gosh, I've got a 3 o'clock meeting this afternoon that I didn't know about. So it changes his day. So one of the things I suggested to him is you want to make sure that when you use Microsoft Outlook, it's not set to automatically accept meeting invitations. It's a setting that you can turn on or off. So let me show you how to look for that and how to do that. I'm going to click on File right here. I'm going to go down to Options in the bottom left. When this box pops up, I'm going to now click on Calendar. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And here where it says Auto Accept or Decline, I'm going to click on this and you'll see there are some options in here. If this is selected, then it will accept the meeting automatically. So it's going to automatically accept meeting requests and remove canceled meetings. But we don't want this to happen. So you want to make sure this is unchecked. That way those meetings are something you have to approve before they get on your schedule. Now I do want to let you know about a little thing that I've experienced. There are certain kinds of meetings, I call it calendar spam, that can get on your calendar without you knowing it. And it gets around this setting. To this point in time, I don't have a solution to that. It's something that occurs on occasion. I've looked into it, but I haven't been able to get a solution to that in protecting it. But for the most part, from regular people that you'd want to meet with, this is a good setting to have. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Have a great one. Bye now.